Good morning, students. Today we are going to see Unit 1 Supplementary. The Envious Neighbor. It is a Japanese folk tale about two neighbors and how their character changed their life. The main characters are a honest old man, his wife, their pet dog, and a greedy neighbor. Once upon a time, there lived an honest man with his wife and a pet dog. They fed the dog with good and tasty food like fish and tidbit, which they cooked. They specially cooked food for the dog. Tidbit is a small piece of tasty food. So the dog enjoyed their food. One day, the honest man went to work in their garden along with his dog. The dog used to play in the garden happily. While it was playing, suddenly it stopped and started to bark and wagged its tail forcefully. So it moved its tail here and there forcefully. The honest man and his wife thought that there must be something to eat under the ground. So they dug the place using a spade. They found pieces of gold, silver, and few precious things which had been buried there. So in that place they got a treasure. Okay. As it's a treasure, they got it by luck, not by hard work. Okay. They just got it by luck. So they offered few to the poor people and bought rice and corn fields for them and became wealthy people. So they are very good people. They offered few to the poor and they bought corn field and rice field for themselves. Their neighbor was a greedy and stingy. Stingy means miser. Miser, that means one who won't give or share which they have. Okay, they won't even spend money for them. So they are stingy. They heard how the old honest man got the wealth. They too thought to get wealth like them. So they borrowed the dog and prepared a great feast for him. So they borrowed the dog from the neighbor, from the old honest man. So they too longed, they were very greedy. They thought to get the same wealth. So they borrowed the dog. On seeing the dog, they said, "If you show a place with plenty of money, we will be thankful to you." So they were asking the dog to show a place which is filled with treasure. The dog was puzzled because whenever the greedy couples see him, they used to beat and kick him. But now what they are doing? They were feeding it with good food and talking to it. Now they are offering good food. So the dog got confused. So it didn't eat the food. It refused to eat the food. Seeing this, the greedy couples got tensed. So in anger, they tied a rope around the dog's neck and pulled it to the garden. They walked all over the garden, dragging him. So they were dragging the dog to all the places. The dog didn't utter a bark. It didn't give sound at all. At last, the dog stopped in a spot and began to sniff. The greedy old couples felt happy that there may be gold. They started to dig it. Finally, they got dirt and decomposed animal waste, which made them hold their nose and run out of that place. So now they got angry. They were angry with that dog. So they killed the dog. As the greedy couple did not return the dog, the honest old man went and asked for his pet. The greedy man said that he killed the dog and buried him under a pine tree. So he told what happened. As they didn't get anything, in anger, I killed that dog and buried. The good old man got worried. He went to the spot where the dog was buried. He kept a plate with fine tasty food. He burnt incense sticks. Incense sticks means perfumed or scented sticks. We used to burn it to God in temples and in house also. Isn't it? That is known as incense sticks. And also he decorated the grave with flowers and cried as he lost his pet. That night, when the honest good man was asleep, the dog came in his dream. The dog came in his dream. The dog thanked him for his kindness and asked the man to cut the pine tree where he was buried. The dog asked him to make a mortar and use it, thinking of it as if it was his pet dog. Mortar is a thing which is used to grind. It is a grinding machine. So the dog asked that man to do a grinding machine using that tree, using that wood. Next day, the old man made a mortar using the wood of the pine tree as said by the dog in his dream. When the good old man ground his rice, in it, each grain of rice turned into some rich treasure. So when he grinded it, when they grinded that rice grain in the mortar, it's turned into some rich treasures. The greedy old couple saw this. So again, they saw that. They borrowed the mortar to get rich treasure. When they tried to use it, the rice turned into filthy thing, that is dirty thing, as it happened before. In anger, they broke the mortar and burnt it. So they burnt it into ashes. How greedy they are. So the good old man was thinking about that why the neighbor didn't return the mortar yet. He don't know what happened. He don't know what is the reason they didn't return the mortar. That night, the dog again appeared in his dream and told him what happened. So he told that he was burnt. Okay, the mortar was burnt by the neighbor. And it also added that to get the ashes, the burnt ashes, okay, of the burnt mortar from the neighbor, and asked to sprinkle the ashes on the withered trees. That means dried trees. Okay, if he do so, the trees would get life and flowers will bloom. So withered trees means dried trees, it may be died, okay, dead trees. Knowing it, the good man ran to the neighbor's house weeping. So he was crying and begging them to give the ashes of his mortar. Getting it, he came home. He thought to try what his pet dog said in his dream. So he sprinkled the ashes on a dried cherry tree. At once, the tree bloomed with flowers and leaves. He felt happy and thought to help others. So he's a honest, good and kind man. So he is thinking to help other people so that they will also get benefit. So he took ashes in a basket and went around the country, announcing that he is having the power of bringing dead trees to life again. The prince of that country heard about it and he invited the honest old man to show his power. There the good old man sprinkled the ashes on the dead, dried plum and cherry trees. At once the trees sprout out leaves and flowers. The flowers bloomed. On seeing this, the prince was very happy. So he gave the good man silk, cork, and rich presents and sent him home happily. As soon as the neighbors heard the news, they collected the ashes that remained in their house. He went to the castle town. He announced that he is having the power of reviving dead trees. So he is having the power to bring back life to the trees. He was called to the prince's palace and ordered to show his power. The greedy old man climbed up the dead, dried tree. He began to sprinkle the ashes. Not a bud or flower bloomed. It stood still. No changes in that tree. But the ashes flew into the prince's eyes and mouth. The ashes blinded and choked him. Choke means it made some problem in breathing, that the princess is not able to breathe properly. The prince's servants caught him. They beat him black and blue almost to death. Then he crawled off home worried. He and his wife realized how evil they were and scolded themselves. The good old couples heard what happened in the palace. They said that those sufferings are of their greed and cruelty. Then the good old couples gave them a share of their own riches, which they got by luck. After that, the greedy couples changed themselves and led a good and moral life. So being honest never hurts anyone. So we have to be honest. Being honest never hurt anyone, but being greedy hurt yourself. So be honest and be happy with whatever you have in your life. So let us see the character or speaker. So identify the character or speaker. First question, they gathered the treasure. So whose words are these? They. So they represent the honest man and his wife. So they gathered the treasure. The pine tree under which I am buried to be cut down and made into a mortar. So I here is the dog. So the dog got buried, isn't it? So the answer is the dog. They dug and found nothing but a quantity of dirt and nasty offal. So who got that nasty offal? The greedy neighbor. Fourth question. He had not to wait long before he was called into the prince's palace and ordered to exhibit his power. The greedy neighbor. Bow, wow, wow. So it is a sound of the dog. So the character is the dog. So let us see the choose. Choose the right answer. The old farmer and his wife loved the dog. So they loved the dog as they were kind to all living beings. So they are very kind to each and everyone. So only they helped all the poor people, isn't it? So they were kind to all living beings. When the old couple became rich, what they did? Lived a comfortable life and were generous towards their poor neighbors. So they were very generous. They shared their treasure with the poor people and as well as the neighbors. The greedy couple borrowed the mortar to make a pile of gold. So why they borrowed the mortar? To get a pile of gold. Let us see the mind map. There lived an honest man with his wife who had a favorite dog, and with its help they got a treasure. So using the dog, with its help they got the treasure. There dwelt a covetous and stingy old man and women in the neighborhood. So they are having a stingy old man and a woman nearby their house. So in the neighborhood. The wicked old couple seized the dog and killed him. So they borrowed the dog and they killed him. They broke the mortar and burnt it. So as the mortar didn't give them treasure, they burnt it. They collected all the ashes that remained and put them in a basket. Thank you.